Hi, my name's Kate Bell, and my husband and I hired Russ and Universal Home Renovations to oversee a pretty big project for us here in our family home. We had a leak in our upstairs shower, which led to mold remediation and ripping out of many kitchen cabinets and our appliances, at which point we received quotes from a number of contractors and ultimately decided to go with Russ because we felt like we could trust him. He was priced fairly and we liked him. So we went ahead and moved forward with Russ, and he painted our kitchen cabinets after reinstalling what was damaged. We had him rework our 90s desk space into this very cool beverage center, wine and coffee station. We had him paint the island, replace our hardware to modernize things here in the kitchen. Russ and his team also laced in hardwood floors to match our existing hardwood that we had in a number of spaces on the main floor. So we now have hardwood on our entire main floor, and that required refinishing everything to a natural state, lightened up the flooring to modernize it a bit. In addition to painting the cabinets, they also painted this main great room. We had him paint our fireplace, our banister. On our stairs, that was a big part of the project. We had him replace the 90s carpet, 25-year-old carpet on the stairs with lovely hardwoods to match the main floor, and also paint our banister railing spindles all black to bring that more to a modern state as well. He replaced carpet in all the bedrooms upstairs and also painted the fireplace to match the walls and cabinet color so that it was cohesive here in the great room. My husband and I are just so grateful to have found Russ and Universal Home Renovations. When we had the leak and subsequent damage, we really were hoping to find somebody trustworthy that was fairly priced to work with for this project, and we're just overwhelmingly happy with the outcome. So thank you, Russ and Universal Home Renovations.